So let's talk about TAO. It's also known as Bittensor. It is sitting at 352 right now. And I have covered Bittensor TAO in the past. Let me go and find it while I check. What do you think is going to be TAO's all-time high price according to you in the year of 2025? And if you are in love with this coin, can you let me know the reason? Last time I talked about this thing was on 29th of June. It was sitting at the price of what? 338. Our first target was 353 and it was in a falling channel. Now this structure that you see, it is a falling channel. You have one line as a resistance, one as a support. 70% of the time the structure breaks up, 30% of the times it breaks down. Of course, I go with the higher probability, and it was sitting at 338. 353 was first target, and I think next one is 477. And of course, this breakout of a downward trend would further make it bullish, but we had a target at 353 for it to go and hit. As of today, it has gone up and hit 353. It actually went and hit 355, but it is not captured. It just went and hit, and this is today. Now, what do we expect? Well, it's really simple. If it goes and captures 353, I would assume it is giving a trend reversal. And on top of it, I would expect it to go and hit 400 and then go and hit 477. So that is pretty much a major move up. And I think that it is going to be a good trend reversal, considering that it is in this falling channel that we just looked at, and the breakout would be pretty much bullish, which will easily push us to 477, which is this area. So it will shoot up all the way here. But for that, we need to see it closing 2 daily candles with the bodies above 353. If we don't see TAO closing 2 daily candles with the bodies above 353, I would assume that it is done with the upward journey. This was all, a dead cat bounce, or just one more attempt. And after that, TAO is going to start going down again. And of course, our downward support is all the way down towards at 277. I know it's not nice. It could have been 300. But it is a pretty massive drop, unfortunately. So right now where TAO is, it's a pretty much decision-making point. If it wants to get bullish, this is the time to capture 353, spend 2 days above it and get bullish. If it doesn't, prepare for the downward journey towards 277. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.